I'm Dr. Swapnamiri Gali, Assistant Professor from the Department of Physics. Today I'm going to talk about importance of physics in technology. So what are the contents, what is the physics, what is the technology, and how the physics is going to helpful in the technology. Generally we see physics as a subject, but in our body and the universe physics play a vital role. So today we are going to know many facts about how the physics is included and how it is going to play a vital role in our life and the universe to maintain the equilibrium. Okay, what is physics first? So physics is the study of matter and energy, and it gives how the atoms and energy are interacting in such a way. It explains how and why things move, fall, work in nature. Physics uncovers many laws in the universe. We are maintaining the equilibrium in the universe because of the many physics laws and the formulas and many things. You can imagine that if orbitals are not moving in the path, what happens? So we can't imagine this world, right? So the role of the physics in the universe, maintenance of this equilibrium and the balance. And it includes many applications in our life like electricity, sound, light, motion and more. Okay. If we feel 5 minutes or 10 minutes if power is not there, nowadays we are feeling like we are oxygenless. So the current and the electricity related, the gadgets, everything play a vital role in our life. Principles of physics in our body. So the main function of the body, the vital organ of the human body is brain. So the brain actually it works in the principle of low pressure electrical generator, and here whatever the thoughts we are thinking that comes out of the thought. So whatever the thoughts are there, we are releasing in the nature the electromagnetic wave. That's why if you are 100 people also, we are going to get the same frequency people as the friends. So the brain thinking on the electrical signal, whatever the generating, it is reeling like a thought, and the thought has some frequency. Here also the physics principle is there, and the brain waves we are having when you are sad, we have some low energy. When you are happy, we are having very exciting. So we are having different kinds of frequency because all the electromagnetic signals and the waves are there in the thinking process and the neurons. Even the neurons are connected using this principle and the physics laws. And the most important and the vital organ, we can't buy and we can't generate the eyes. In the nature, even the power what you have our natural eye is not there at all in the camera, which is having that high pixel in the nature. So eye has a very great importance, and it works the principle of the physics. So what are those? Reflection, refraction, it acts as an optical electrical transducer, and photoelectronics. So there are many of there. So when the light is reflecting from there, so the electrical signal is going to the brain. If you see the red color or some green color, how you are going to say the eye is not speaking but we are speaking? What is happening there? So what is the color we are observing from the eyes? The electrical signals are going to brain, and the brain is transferring the data to our vocal cords, and we are able to say that's a red color, that's a green color. So that's a table or bench, whatever it may be. So it's like an internal mechanism. Everything is runs with the physics laws. And the most, the part is heart. So in heart also so much air circulation, blood pumping, everything is there. We can't imagine our life if 1 second or 2 seconds our heart stops the working. So what is our life? We can't imagine, right? So it works with the principles of the physics. Mostly like a Pascal's law, Bernoulli's principle. So the pumping, the pressure pumping, air circulation, and how the blood is flowing in our vessels. So that lubbed up sound we are hearing, right, that's nothing but bouncing of the heart. So it works with the Hooke's law. So what are the neuron, what are the cells we have taken in our body, everything works with the principle of physics. And kidneys. So once you lost the valuable thing, then only you know that, right? So kidneys are playing a vital role, and it acts as a biological filters in our body. So mainly it works with the biological filters and the pressure regulators. It works with the principle of like a Fick's law. It tells about how the diffusion and osmosis process is happening. That means how the toxins are collecting through the kidneys and how it is filtering. Basic principle, and it works with the principle of diffusion and osmosis and the pressure and capillary forces. So all the nerves, that small neuron, the small vessels, the small pipelines, whatever is there, the filters, everything. So they are mainly depend upon work function of this pressure and the circulation. So it also, the physics is the main basic behind the working of the kidneys. And if you want to move from here to there, if you want to jump from higher place to lower place, if you want to walk, even the inertia, so we need the basic physics support. So the walking, running, jumping, everything works, everything runs physics laws and the physics principles. So breathing process. So now we are very happy and we are walking, everything you are doing. So the small issues comes to the breathing process, we can't imagine our life. So even the breathing process works the principle of physics, like especially pressure gradient, work and energy and the Boyle's law. Means how the lungs capacity they are expanding, how the air is going, how the pressure is variation, everything comes under breathing process. So in that also the basic physics laws are there. This all about in our body and how if you know or you do not know also the physics formulas are working in our body. So this is all about the basic physics behind our body. That's all for the today's short explanation. Thank you.